Hey there, I'm Louie, and for the past few years, I've been addicted to crocheting goblins, trolls, orcs, and ogres. So much, in fact, that tribe by tribe, they began taking over my apartment. That is, until I created a tabletop game to keep them busy.
Now they battle for glory and my honor.
I call it Stitched. It's a tabletop game that you make from home. It's war that you craft. I play with my miniature crocheted pieces, but you can make your pieces out of whatever you want. Play-Doh, origami, Legos. I even have a set that you can print from home, as long as they fit the size requirements for each piece, which I'll get to a little bit later. To win Stitched, each tribe competes to defeat each other in combat, complete a magic ritual, or capture the enemy's flag. Each player controls a mercenary team of goblins, trolls, orcs, and ogres, and will use their actions each turn to move, attack, and cast their way to victory. If you want to learn the full extent of the rules, check out the link in the description below, at the end of this video, or by going to stitchedthegame.com. From that site, you'll be able to access the video version of the rules, the written version of the rules, and there's even a downloadable cheat sheet that I made to help you out. Everything you need to play the game you probably already have at home. Movements in the game are measured with a playing card, and you'll just need a 6-sided dice to roll. The gameplay is relatively easy to learn and just uses simple addition and subtraction, making it very playable for anybody ages 10 and up. But it has a lot of different strategies to work around with, so it's fun for all ages. Like I said before, you can make your pieces out of whatever you want. Everything in the game is measured from the base of the character. Small characters are 1.5 inches in diameter, and large characters are 2.5 inches in diameter. So as long as your characters fit into that circle, you're good to go. If you know how to crochet and want to make your pieces like mine, I have all the patterns available, each with a video tutorial included, so you never miss a stitch. You can find links to the patterns in the description of this video, or on the site stitchedthegame.com. If you don't know how to crochet but are interested in learning, check out my free How to Crochet video series and ebook at crocheting101.com. If you're not really interested in creating a whole set out of arts and crafts, or you just want to try the game out before committing, try out the printable version of all the pieces that I have available. You'll just need scissors and tape to assemble them together once they're all printed, and I have full color versions available, as well as printer-friendly versions that are black and white, so you can color them in yourself. If you want to get more ideas for sets or share the designs that you've made, check out the Stitch subreddit at r/stitched with no E. I've got a bunch of new ideas to add to this game in the future, like new items, abilities, and characters to play with, but they all need to be playtested still. If you'd like to try those ideas out, as well as give me your advice and suggestions, and help support this project and this channel, check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/louiesloops. Patreon supporters also get a bunch of other perks like the crochet patterns, the printable pieces, and they get to collaborate with me to design and crochet a piece of their own. Again, you can learn more at patreon.com/louiesloops. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've obviously spent a long time working on this project, so it means a lot. I'll be live streaming myself playing this game in the future with some friends, so if you want to make sure that you don't miss those, make sure to subscribe down below and click that little bell icon so that you get notifications. You can check out the most recent game that I've played over here on the left, or check out the video I made where I explain the full extent of the rules over here on the right. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and pasta la pizza. Bye.